Hey guys, welcome back to the video. About to about the one and only Simone Nicole TV, and that's some what period poo. And in this video I'll be showing you guys some Halara pants. Believe that's how you say it, Halara. So I was introduced to this brand through TikTok, through Instagram. That's about it. Oh, YouTube of course, because Britton Snow posted her wearing some of the Halara clothing items in her blog. They sent her some, and I have been eyeing the brand for a while, but I was like, I don't see no black girls wearing it. And for me, that means something, because I need to know it's gonna fit my body type if I get the size that she got. If she's saying she my height, I need to be able to know it's gonna work out. So here I am today, hoping to help somebody else, because I was helped through watching other videos. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first and foremost, they were shipped through FedEx, Avi, and yeah, I don't remember what I ordered. I know they were pants, but I don't know the names or the exact. I know they're cargos. I definitely ordered cargos, and I'm gonna show you guys how they look on the screen and the size that I got, the details of my order. But yeah, this is a try on video, so let's go ahead and open it up, honey. That's what I'm here to do. Oh, there's a return. That's what's up. It's the return pouch on the outside in case I need to send it back. This came from China, I believe, too. So Halara's website looks like Yes Style, and it looks like AliExpress. That's how it looks, in my opinion. And I wasn't sure if they was out here trying to scam me, you know. Okay, so definitely. Oh, I paid for the expedited shipping as well, the super fast shipping. They had like a regular shipping and then super fast shipping, and then the super fast. I paid for that, and it was like $20, and it was supposed to be 3 to 5 business days, and it got to me like on day 6, I want to say. So I don't know if it was worth it. I don't know. I move a lot for work, so I'm gonna pay for it anytime I get the chance, because I don't want a chance on not getting my item before I have to move to the next city or state. You feel me? But to somebody else, it might not be worth it to pay the extra fee. I would just say wait. Just wait on it. Okay. So it comes with this Halara Play It My Way little flyer. Okay, and there's a barcode there if you guys want to scan it. Am I holding it enough for y'all? There we go. I play it my way with Halara. You're one of a kind, and that what makes you special. Nobody can take that away from you. You're in control of the way you live, the way you move, the way you dance, the way you love, and the way you fight. Take a moment to take it easy and just do you. I like that. Who did that? Who put that together? Points for you, honey. That was cute. Okay, so this packaging has a zipper at the top. It's a classic type of style bag. Okay. And so I got these cargos in a size medium. It's 79% polyester, 21 elastane, made in China. Okay, so they're giving somewhat of a legging, but joggers, and they have pockets on the back, and they're supposed to be high-waisted. So let's see how it looks on the body. The pockets are functional, which is great. I don't be wanting the faux pockets. I need pockets. I need it to work, honey. I'm gonna put stuff in there. So okay, so it's very stretchy, and I said a medium, right? This is very stretchy, so I'm glad I got a medium and not a large. So this is a pretty gray. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, they also sent me some stickers, y'all. I did not want this, but ooh, there go Britton Snow dog. I didn't really want this, but hey, I'll stick them on something. So they gave me some stickers to use. Oh look, she's doing yoga. Oh, y'all can't even see that. It's on the back side. There's 2 stickers, 2 sheets of stickers in here. That's cute. So you have this front sheet, and then you have this second sheet. So she's doing yoga. I love this. Okay, this is cute. I like this. I want some more of these, to be honest, but this is cute. I love the yoga because their clothing is literally like for people who are going on hot girl walks or like fit or, you know, very active. This is a very active brand in my opinion, and it's cute. It's giving like you're not trying to just be out here looking any kind of way. You're actually putting thought in your outfit. So yeah, I love that. It's very cute. Okay, so these are going to be the denim. I think these are the denim. Yeah, so they're like, they look like jeans but they're not, so it's the jeggings vibe. Ooh girl, and there's a butt scrunch. You know daggone well this is not even jeans by the butt scrunch. I must have forgot that that was on there because I'm definitely surprised. Okay, the pockets work on these too. They're like kind of stitched down though on the sides. Is that supposed to be like that? It's not like that on this side, but this side is stitched down. And both of these sides are stitched down. I guess I need to pop that open or cut it open. That's interesting. But yeah, they both are functional, and so are the pockets on the sides. So that's cool. Love that. The butt scrunch is funny. That's funny to me. But yeah, they're giving jeggings. They have pockets on them, so you can wear them. If your job, if wherever you work has a policy, or you know, say you can't wear leggings or you can't wear tights to work, I believe you can get away with these, girl, because they have pockets on the back of them. And they're in jean material. Unless they say you can't wear jeggings, then you're out of luck. But these to me are considered more of a cargo legging versus a regular legging. So yeah. And then the last pair I have is the blue version, which is, oh, this is nice. I was worried that it was going to be like a faded blue, like a whitewashed blue. I wanted to look like jeans. Like I wanted to really look like a pair of jeans. And I love how this blue looks. This is a pretty blue. I need to be careful when I wash it because I don't want them to shrink and I don't want them to fade. This also has a booty scrunch, but it's not as intense. And yeah, these pockets are doing the same thing. Well, one side of it is doing the same thing with it being stitched down. But again, there's a lot of stretch to it, and it looks like you can wear it high-waisted. So I'm gonna model these for you guys, and I hope they come down to my ankle. I think they will. They say your wingspan is, oh, well yeah, half of my body is my legs, right? They say your wingspan is your height. So yeah.